First of all, I would like to greet all of you with our warmest Islamic greetings of peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. God bless you all. I came to Bahrain last 7 years ago from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. That was 2009. My profession actually, I am a senior accountant. I finished my master degree being a professional. Then I work here in Bahrain in a large group of companies. This is the Almer Group. Under Almer Group, we have around 15 affiliates. No, the main business of our company is supermarkets and construction. Yeah. I was a former municipal accountant. Last 10 years, I retired 2004. Then I decided to work in abroad. I resigned. Then the time of my work as a municipal accountant, already is the same with our in the local government actually. Actually, there are so many reasons that we have said. No, first. Economic, because our salary is actually mostly why the question is why everybody going to abroad, mostly because the reason is the economic problems. Actually, our salary in our country is not enough to support the financial needs of our families. That is the main reason actually. Actually, the objectives of the Filipino Muslim community in Bahrain, being a president of this, we organize, this is the composition component of this group is the three major ethnic tribes in our country, mainly the Maranaos, which I am belong to, the Maguindanao, the Tausug group, and plus the dynamic Balik Islam group. We come into the time that I organize this. This is the umbrella organization of this Filipino Muslim community. And our aims is to establish harmonious relationship to other Filipino community in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The solidarity, the unity, we will help to each other for the general welfare of the Filipino overseas workers in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I am the chairman of the PDP Laban in the Middle East, Bahrain chapter. Second, I am also the secretary of international operations of the MRRD OFW. MRRD OFW meaning this is the umbrella organization of the campaign movement of our president, which is the MRRD NIC. I want to, sometimes somebody will ask me, what is MRRD? MRRD means Mayor Rua Rodrigo Duterte. NEC means National Executive Coordinating Committee. Now, after the election, actually, that is a political movement, we need to help the OFW. How we can help the OFW? Then being as a founder of this organization, we organize again as a continuation of the MRRD NIC, the MRRD OFW. MRRD OFW is a policy advocate groups. Our mission is to help the distressed OFW. Now, through that, we have already passed so many resolutions to the Congress. What is our purpose? Why we did this one? Because we are an OFW, we know actually what is happening in the ground. Nung nag-ano siya, no, pwede ko magsalita ng tungkol dyan kasi ako kasi isa akong previous accountant, no. Tapos nung nag-declare siya ng presidente, hanggang ngayon isa pa rin akong DDS. Kasi alam ko nung nag-declare siya na sinabi niya sa ngayon nasa isip ko pa nga babaguhin niya total sin sa Pilipinas. Ako involved ako sa mga previous transaction ng gobyerno. Kaya mayroon akong background. Kaya talagang siya hulog ng langit sa sambayan ng Pilipino, si President Duterte. Kasi siya may taong puso. Kasi ang leader kasi, actually ang leader, we don't need a leader as a lawyer, as a doctor. Yung talaga yung may puso, may dedikasyon sa mga tao. O, si Mayor President Duterte is an ordinary like Juan de la Cruz. He is eating with the street. What is this? Now he is a very, I don't know, if after Duterte, who will be the next president. Alam mo yung anak ko, nag-aaral ng criminology, tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, anak, ano bang situation dyan sa Iligan? Kasi taga-Iligan ako Iligan City. Sabi niya, tatay, noon mga tambay dyan sa kalsada, napakarami nila. Ngayon, kahit maglakad ka na lang dyan, talagang wala kang makikita. Ibig sabihin, yung peace and order na maintain na, wala na sa amin yun. Napakalaking tulong yan. Yung mga drugs, wala na, yung mga tambay. O ano pang hahanapin natin sa presidente? Yung pagbisita naman niya dito, napakasaya sa akin. Nakikita ko na lang siya. Ngayon, siguro after few days, mahaharap ko siya. Yun lang, napakaraming salamat nga nakita namin yung inuudulo namin. Kahit hindi naman yan namin kilala ng personal. Pero lahat kami mga OFW, nakita naman yung na landslide ang binigay namin ng boto. Talaga. Kahit anong ginawa namin ng lahat. Para lang kasi alam namin. Kasi alam niyo yung OFW, kami talaga birit trick kami sa mga social media. Through that, malaking bagay na itulong namin sa panalo ni Presidente. Dito sa Bahrain, alam mo, 90% or 90% landslide. Kasi nandun ako, tinutukan namin yan from April 9 to May 9. Araw-araw nandun kami, inaano namin yung baka ako, tapos nung panahon na yun, pumunta kami sa mga mall. We are inviting all the Filipino in Bahrain to come out. Karangalan natin, dito na tayo ngayon, magbuto tayo. Ito, alam ko, pagpunta niya dito, maraming matutuwa, magpapasalamat. Kasi yun na talagang pangarap namin talagang makita naman na our dreams. Ngayon, nandito na siya, malapit na. Maraming salamat. Sana ang presidente natin bigyan pa ng malawak na buhay. Mabago niya ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang ating presidente. Okay.